So, you carry a wallet, your iPhone, and a case. But wouldn't life be simpler if you could put all that together? Meet Wallet Case, the minimal iPhone wallet case that carries your stash without showing it off. Wallet Case adds a slim, lightweight layer of protection to your iPhone, plus a secret wallet built right in. Just snap on Wallet Case and pull on the ribbon to access your hidden must-haves. Now you can carry credit cards, ID, cash, business cards, or MetroCard secretly and securely right on the back of your protected iPhone. Other wallet cases show off your cards, or they're too bulky, it looks like you're talking on your wallet, or they make accessing your cards, your phone, or the iPhone camera really awkward. We at Distill Union designed a Wallet Case to solve all of this by combining genuine Argentinian leather with a super strong and slim polycarbonate shell. The best part is our pull tab that lifts from the inside so your cards stay hidden out of sight. It's perfect for a quick trip to the store, a night out, or as a total wallet replacement. Simplify your grab and go with Wallet Case for iPhone by Distill Union.
Hey Kickstarter, I'm Nate.
I'm Adam.
I'm Lindsay, and we are Distill Union. We're back after 2 successful Kickstarters. Our first was for Snooze, the iPhone alarm dock.
The second one was Wallet, stick-on wallet for iPhone. And we heard from a lot of you that you wanted a case with the wallet component, so we did that. And we finished tooling.
And we're already exploring some packaging.
And this is where we need the support of the Kickstarter community. We need your help to cover the cost of production.
It's expensive.
Yeah, so do us a favor. Help us spread the word by telling your friends, your family, and yeah, back us today and let's make Wallet Case a reality.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Did you just do this? I did. I shot them. Sorry.
Cool, I can do it.
I shot them with love.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Jake. We know it's important to always be prepared, but it's impossible to carry survival tools with us everywhere we go. Or is it? Thanks for watching. Help fund us today and we'll make the Minimalist Survival Wallet a reality.
Look, Daddy's gonna make a fire.
Fire?
Yeah.
It's in front. You. Daddy?